The main goal of this project was to integrate CeDInt IoT platform in SymbIoTe ecosystem. This action would allow us not only to provide other platforms with data obtained from the Smart Building pilot at UPM Montegancedo campus, but also to evaluate the effectiveness of the measures taken and improve the building's energy efficiency. Since the objective of our integration in SymbIoTe was federating CeDInt IoT platform to closely collaborate with other platforms within L2, a federation composed by Sensing and Control platform and CeDInt IoT platform has been created. After the integration of CeDInt IoT platform in L2, evidence of the usage of resources within this compliance level from native applications is needed to validate the implementation. To accomplish the validation of this issue, the CeDInt web application, Spatia, has been modified to act as a third-party application and check data accessing. A specific user has been registered in Spatia for controlling resources shared in the federation joined by Sensing and Control and CeDInt IoT platform. After logging in, a list is presented to the user with every device they can control. 273 entries are shown in this list, where 207 belong to CeDInt IoT platform and 66 to Sensing and Control platform. These devices are shown and actuated upon them seamlessly with no influence on their platform, thus being transparent to the final user. It is possible to access the federated resources. A user can either consult the last readings of each device or check the historical observed values during a designated period for each measured parameter. Finally, there is another functionality related to actuator-like resources to take into account. Our platform only shares sensor-like resources, but the other platform conforming the federation does share actuator-like resources. That being so, actuation services for these sort of devices have been also integrated into Spatia. Here we can see some actuators from Sensing and Control, where an on-off capability is integrated. These devices can be toggled by inserting the appropriate binary value into the field of the corresponding form for submitting the action. If the state change is correctly performed, a message is displayed to the user indicating the process has been successfully completed. The initial purpose of the project is to identify and implement federations between IoT platforms. Hence, in our case, making CeDInt's and Sensing and Control's platform join the same federation and exchange IoT resources. Demonstrating federated resources usage has been done in order to validate the federation implementation and complete the work performed for making our platform L2 compliant in SymbIoTe ecosystem.